I don't just do videos on Rivians, I also do videos on cats. What? No. This is a Dyson vacuum. This is the Dyson V12, and it is our daily driver. And I love this thing. It has a laser that shoots out, shows you all the debris, and it's actually easier even to vacuum at night. But recently, ours broke and it's no longer shooting the laser out. Let me show you some of the defaults. It's a great vacuum, it's a good engine, but this part has some defects. Now, one of the things that Bandit and I like are the fact this thing is so modular. So this comes off the down tube, this detaches, thank goodness, and then from here, you can actually attach another one. And there you can see the laser. You can laser on or off. Why you would turn it off, I don't know. Here's a view right there. It even says laser detect. But we've had this for about a year, and there are some defaults here. This gets jammed up. This is supposed to roll, and both of them are locked up, which makes it hard to push. And same with these little wheels right here at the end. Those do. And then over time, you can see where just from vacuuming, the plastic is worn away and it eventually disabled the laser. So even though this piece here at the end comes off so you can clean it, you cannot easily get under here at all. I've tried prying it out. It just doesn't work well. Bad design, just hard to push. It's a shame for such an expensive vacuum that works so well that this would be the weak spot. So instead of buying a replacement head, which is probably gonna be pretty expensive from Dyson, I went with this one from Amazon. And look at the design difference. First of all, these wheels make it so much smoother. And the laser doesn't just come out of one side and shoot out like that. The entire base is a laser that shoots out. So much nicer. Let me show you. Here we have a tile floor. There's a piece of debris, but you'll see others. Watch. We're gonna activate it. You see that entire thing lights up? So nice. And it rolls so much better. This is in the day. You can see the debris. Let's head down. I'm gonna head down the hallway now. Let's see. And you can see it nicely there. Notice too is it's actually more quiet, which I love. So it works really well. It definitely rolls so much nicer with those big wheels. I don't have to worry about that anymore. Let me show you the bottom of the design. All right, here's the bottom of the design. You see it's got some felt pieces here. The intake is there. Here it has kind of a stiffer brush and a softer brush. And here there are two little wheels. I haven't tried taking them out, but it doesn't look like so far that they are really challenging. Let me show you too, to remove this and clean it. This is kind of cool. You just push down on this and this flicks up like that. You just lift that up like that. So you can thoroughly clean everything very easily. And then just when you're done, you just put it back in, push down like that, and then close it up. And you're good to go. Much easier. I hope you found this helpful, and if you did, give it a thumbs up.
I'll leave an Amazon affiliate link in the description. I hope this helps again. Thank you. Bye.